Hello, my name is Linda, also known as Tortagialla around the internet, and I love creative journaling and all things stationery. Today I'm sharing a little show and tell of my favorite paper patterns that I have designed. So I decided to create this design book because I was feeling particularly down one day. My creative endeavors have always been a part-time or whenever I have time effort, but over the years I have definitely designed many different pattern papers. But there are times when I'm totally consumed with mom life and I don't get to journal or doodle or design at all, not even 5 minutes. So it really gets me down and I suddenly find myself just spiraling, really putting myself down with negative self-talk. When I don't create things, it's easy for me to foolishly sort of feel like I've never created anything at all and I've never been productive and I've never done anything of worth. It's just so easy to forget about accomplishments, improvements, and milestones when our brains are bombarded with negativity. I might find myself thinking, oh my gosh, I haven't created anything new lately, and can I even call myself a designer? Like, just really feeling frustrated and putting myself down. I obviously need to be nicer to myself, and I don't know why it seems to be easier to put yourself down than to pump yourself up most of the time. It's really odd because if I were to be talking to a friend, I would be showering them with compliments and reminding them of their accomplishments and how far they've come. No matter what, like intention and effort really count, but it's just a lot harder to be your own cheerleader. So I decided that I needed something physical that I can leave on my desk that would be a quick and easy way to remind myself of the work I have accomplished. So enter this design book. Since I primarily love to create printable repeat pattern designs, I went into my library of files and printed out my favorites. The idea is to create a little flip-like design book with all of these pretty pattern papers that I have created, and so I could see it right in front of me to remind myself that I have accomplished a lot. I've created so many different pretty designs, and I can definitely do it again, so to not despair and to keep going, even if it's at a slower pace than I would like. So I decided to laminate all the papers so that they would hold up to being flipped in a book form. And I'm using a disc-bound system because I happen to have all of the supplies already from my Happy Planner days. So the process is basically printing the designs, laminating, trimming, punching, and adding all the pages of the design into a sort of flip book. I also decided to round the corners of all the pages because it looks nice and matches the Webster's Pages TN cover that I'm putting this design book in. And since this is a disc-bound system, I can easily reorder the pages as I see fit and add in new designs as time goes on. So right now it's in a very random order of pages, but I could categorize them. I don't really know how I want to organize them yet, but I have the flexibility in the future since this is a disc-bound system. So this is my design flipbook completed, and these are not all the designs that I've created. It's just a sampling that I really like and feel proud of, so that's why I chose to print out these particular designs. And the idea is to add to this as time goes on and as I create more designs. My hope is to have this open on my desk, and it will remind me that I have created a lot of great work and I can keep doing it even if there isn't time at this very moment, and I can just get back to it when I do have time. And ultimately, to not give up on my design aspirations. So what do you think of my design book? Would you create something similar with whatever creations you have? Maybe that would be something worth doing. It might be a great idea to make something that you can flip through that makes you feel proud. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more stationery, journaling, and design content. Comment your thoughts below, and if you have any suggestions or questions, I would definitely love to hear from you. And if you enjoy using digital printables, be sure to check out my Ko-fi feed where you can support my design work with tips, buy printables in the shop, and join the monthly membership to get access to digital paper packs that I post. There are also lots in the archive, so as soon as you join, you will be able to access everything on the feed. You can also download freebies on my blog, tortagialla.com. I've been posting there for years, so you will find a very large archive of freebies to download and play with. Thank you again for watching, and I wish you a lovely day. Until next time, bye!